Huwag kalimutang
mag-subscribe.
Maraming salamat po.
Hello, I'm Tutor Sonny, and now we are going to solve the 3x3x3 Siamese cube. Before we start to jumble this Siamese cube, I would like to point out that we must hold the Siamese cube like this, okay? And this corner piece will serve as our guide for the color scheme, okay, of the entire cube. The white, okay, is facing us, okay, hence this whole side is for the white color, and the red is facing downward, okay, hence the bottom side is for red color. So the color of the opposite side of white is yellow, the opposite side of red, which is color orange on top. On the right side is blue, and on the left side is yellow green. So we must remember that color scheme to be able to solve this Siamese cube properly. Otherwise, we cannot solve this Siamese cube. Okay, so now we will jumble it. Now we can solve it. So let's look for our guide, the corner piece. Okay, this one. So the white is facing us, the bottom
Color red is
facing downward. Okay, so this is the correct position. So, and then we must hold it like this, okay? So hence this full side is for white color, and the bottom side is for red color, okay? So this should be white, okay? The centerpiece should be white, okay? This one. And at the bottom, or on the bottom, is color red. So this one, so put that one on the bottom, okay? So the centerpiece in front of us is color white, on the back is yellow, correct? The centerpiece on the bottom is red, on top is orange, correct? On the right side is blue, and on the left side is yellow green, correct? Okay, so now we will solve the first layer. Okay, we will solve the first layer first. We need white and red edge piece to be placed here. So white and red is right here. So just bring this up, turn this around, bring the center down, so we can bring this in front of us again, and then turn this to match the color. Bring this up, turn this clockwise 2 times to match the color, and bring it down. Okay, it's done. Next we need blue and red edge piece. Okay, so blue, and it's right here. So just turn this clockwise 2 times. Okay, the colors are matching, so we'll just turn this upside down. Okay, next we need the yellow and red edge piece. It's right here, so we'll just bring this up, turn this counterclockwise, and bring it down. Okay, it's done. Now we are going to do the 2 corner pieces. We need white, red, and blue. So it's right here, white, red, and blue. We will place this corner here. Okay, so hold it like this and just do this algorithm: RU, R prime, U prime, 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 RU, R prime. Okay, it's here. Next, we will do the other side. Blue, yellow, and red. Okay, we need blue, yellow, and red corner piece. It's right here. Just turn this. Okay, then do this algorithm: L prime, U prime, L, U. L prime, U prime, L, U. L prime, U prime, L. Okay, it's right here. Next, so our first layer is fixed. Then we will do the edge pieces of the second layer. Okay, this is going to be our working area. Okay, we need white and blue edge piece. It's right here, so we'll do that later. Just turn this clockwise, and the yellow and blue edge piece is done. Okay, so turn it again. So we will need the yellow and yellow green edge piece to be placed here. Yellow and yellow green. No, it's not here, so just turn this again. Okay, we'll need white and yellow green edge piece to be placed here. It's right here. So the color is not much, so we need to turn this, okay, to match the color. Okay, now this edge piece, we will place it here. So hold it like this and just follow the algorithm. R, U prime, R prime, U prime. R, U prime, R prime, U. R, U, R prime. It's here. Okay, next. Okay, turn this. We'll do that later. Turn it again. So we need yellow and yellow green edge piece. Yellow and yellow green edge piece. It's right here. But we need to match the color of the edge piece and the centerpiece. So we need to turn this to match the color. Okay, so we will place this yellow and yellow green edge piece right here. Okay, so just follow the algorithm. R, U prime, R prime, U prime. R, U prime, R prime, U. R, U, R prime. It's right here. Okay, next. Okay, we will do the last edge piece, which is white and blue. Okay, this is the edge piece itself, but we need to orient it properly. So to do that, we need to extract this out, okay, by placing other edge pieces right here, and then place this again with the proper orientation. Okay, so we'll use this one. Okay, we'll use this one to place here, okay, to extract this out. Okay, so just follow this algorithm. U, R, U prime, R prime. R, W, or R wide, then U, R prime, U prime, M. Okay, so it's right here, the white and blue extracted out. So now it's right here. Okay, we need to match the color of the center piece and the edge piece. Now we will place it right here. Okay, so we'll do this algorithm again. U, R, U prime, R prime. R wide or RW, U, R prime, U prime, M. It's right here. So our second layer is done. Okay, now we'll do the third layer. Okay, we have an inverted L here. So, okay, just follow this algorithm. Okay, R wide, U, R wide prime. Okay, U, R, U prime, R prime, R wide, U prime, R wide prime. Okay, now we have a cross. Okay, so we have two headlights. Okay, so facing left side, that's correct. Now we will do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U. R, U2, R prime. Okay, now we have a fish pattern. So the head should be facing on the lower left. Okay, right here. Then we will do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U. R, U2, R prime. Okay. Now this blue edge piece should be placed here, and this white should be placed here. So these two needs to swap. This yellow edge piece should be placed here, and this yellow green should be placed here. So these two also need to be swapped. Okay. To do that, to swap the two pairs simultaneously, just follow this algorithm. Okay, so okay, so M2 prime U, M, 2 prime, U, M prime, U2, M 2 prime, U2, M prime. Okay, it's done. Now we will do the other cube. Okay, this one. So we'll just follow the orientation or the color scheme of this cube. Okay, the red is on top, in front should be white, so just turn this. Okay, on the bottom is orange, on the right side is yellow green, and on the left side is blue. Okay, now we have the proper color scheme. Okay, so now we will solve the first layer first. Okay, white and orange edge piece to be placed here. So let's find the white and orange edge piece. Okay, it's right here. Just turn this clockwise. Okay, turn this counterclockwise to bring this white orange edge piece up, and then turn it counterclockwise. Okay, then okay, rotate the center piece, rotate the center layer, okay, to bring the white centerpiece in front. Okay, now here's the white orange edge piece, so just turn this clockwise 2 times. Okay, then bring this 2 up, turn this clockwise 2 times to match the color, and bring it down. Okay, so 1 done and 2 more to go. So we need yellow, green, and orange edge piece. Yellow, green, and orange. Yellow, green. Oh, it's right here. Okay, just bring it down, rotate it, and bring it down like that. Okay, next we need yellow and orange edge piece right here. So just bring this up, turn this, okay, and then rotate this, turn this again, okay, turn this, bring this up, okay, turn this, okay, then turn this again, bring it down. Okay, let's see. Okay, we need to turn this upside down. We messed this one up, but we'll just fix it. Okay, it's right here. So okay, so bring this up, turn this, bring this down, rotate this counterclockwise, bring all the way down. Okay, it's done. 1, 2, 3 edge piece, or 3 edge pieces. They are all in their correct places. Okay, they are all in their correct places. Now we will do the 2 corners. Okay, we need white, green, or yellow, green, and orange. White, yellow, green, and orange. Okay, it's right here. We just need to orient it properly. Okay, just do this algorithm. R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. It's right here. Now you'll need the yellow, orange, and yellow, green corner piece to be placed here. Yellow, orange, and yellow, green. Okay, it's right here. So just do this algorithm. L prime U prime L U, L prime U prime L U, L prime U prime L. It's right here. Okay, next we will do the edge pieces of the second layer. We need white and yellow, green. Okay, it's right here, but we need to match the color. So turn this counterclockwise, okay, to match the color of the centerpiece. Now we will put this edge piece right here. Okay, just do this algorithm. R U prime R prime U prime, R U prime R prime U, R U R prime. It's right here. Okay, next Okay, the yellow and yellow-green edge piece is done. So we will do the blue and yellow edge piece. Blue and yellow edge piece. Okay, it's right here, but we need to match the color of the center piece here. Okay, now we'll do this algorithm: r u prime r prime u prime, r u prime r prime u, r u r prime. Okay, it's done. Okay, they are all done. Now we will do the third layer, the last layer. Okay, so we have a bar. Okay, just follow this algorithm: r wide u r wide prime, r u r prime u prime r wide u prime r wide prime. Okay, now we have a tank pattern. Okay, so it has two beam lights right here. Okay, or it has two headlights. Okay, it has two headlights. Okay,
So the two headlights are facing us.
okay, and then do this algorithm: r u r prime u r u2 r prime. Now we have a fish pattern. So this is the head.
These are the tails.
Okay, the head should be facing at the lower left corner. Okay, and then do this algorithm: r u r prime u r u2 r prime. So we still have a fish. So the head should be pointing at the left lower corner, and do the same algorithm: r u r prime u r u2 r prime. Okay, now we have one side that is done. We need to rotate the three edge pieces. This yellow must be placed here, and this blue must be placed here, and the white must be placed here. Okay, so we have a 3-cycle counterclockwise rotation. Okay, counterclockwise. Okay, so just do this algorithm. Okay, m2, okay, u, m, u2, m prime, u, m2, okay, u. It's done. Okay, it's done. The white side, okay, blue side, red side, yellow side, orange side, yellow green side. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so huwag kalimutang
Mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po.